Dentco beats Caliber on these three merits: cost, speed, and quality of repairs. I don't think so. Gonna prove it here in about 30 seconds or so. Go for it. What is your ideal customer? Insurance pay maybe 8 to 12,000. Our ideal customer is someone who values their time, is on a reasonable budget, and wants their car returned back to factory spec, all with lifetime warranty. Do you prefer insurance pay or customer pay? We accept all customers, but private customers usually can't afford our repairs. Do you charge insurance companies the same prices you charge your private pay customers? Yes, we don't. We give every customer as much discount as we possibly can over insurance. Do you use new parts or junkyard parts? We use what insurance typically allows us to use. So that means OEM? No, not typically. Do you prefer to repair or replace? Labor is expensive. In an operation like ours, we prefer to swap out parts. Is that always best for the customer or their car? That's more affordable for us. We have to do what's best for us. Do you repair cars in the order they were dropped off? We repair in the order that insurance tells us to do, availability on the parts. So you take cars in when the parts aren't already on hand. No wonder your process is slow. Do you ever pay customer deductibles? Do you think we can afford to? Touché. So let's recap. Dentco is more affordable, we are faster, and use better repair methodology. Thanks for your time.